In this tutorial, we are building a journey where a new subscriber added in Mailchimp will create a record on Airtable. So let's start. Select Mailchimp as a trigger. Then choose New Subscriber as trigger event. Select Existing Connection and click on Link an Account. Next, select the list. Now, in steps, we have to add subscriber details as Airtable record. For that, select Airtable. Next, add Create Record as action. Select an existing connection and click on Link an Account. Now, we have to add table-specific data. For app ID, click on the link in the description. Then select our product and from URL, copy the app ID. Get the table name from Airtable. For sample record ID, go to Table, select a cell and right-click on it. Click on Copy Record URL. Paste it and remove unnecessary part. Now we have to add fields using Mailchimp app data. So add status, email and name. We are now ready with our journey. Click on Save Changes and Start Journey. Now let's check the output. Let's go to Mailchimp, add contact, add subscriber, provide subscriber's email address, first and last name. Tick for the permissions, then click on subscribe. Next, go to our journey to check the execution. Yes, is executed successfully. Now let's go to Airtable. We can see a new record with subscriber name and email. So in this way, we can create an automation journey to add a new record on the Airtable when a new subscriber is added in Mailchimp. I hope you like this video. To know more and get help in building automation journeys, visit quickwork.co.